had to stop, get a little bit of footage of this. It's just amazing how bright these poppies are in the fields here. Just incredible. Really thick too. Thick poppies. I haven't done anything to the video as far as saturation. This is just how they look. Amazing. Well, here we are, Antelope Valley Poppy Reserve. Just amazing looking, super bright orange, saturated carpets of poppies. Of course, being really close to LA, the place is just crammed. This is like a Wednesday afternoon. So we're gonna try to get a parking spot here so we can walk up into the hills there and check it out. Driving in was pretty cool. Nice clear skies. Kind of nice lighting for the flowers, actually. There we go. Found a spot that's not so windy. So over that way is the city of Lancaster, California. Go down south from there, you hit LA. Go north up to Mojave and Sierra Nevada. Lots of people out here today, but it's a big property, so it's